Hey there, and welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I'm here with a brand new design featuring cupcakes and unicorns. I started this design out with St. Patrick's Day in mind, and when I got to the stamping part, I completely backflipped and went a different direction. You'll have to excuse the first couple of clips for the base polish. I've just rearranged my office, and so I was still trying to work out like the lighting and everything. By the third coat, I think I got the angle and the lighting a bit better. Anyway, so for the base, I'm using a Glam Polish Aloha Mora. I've got a bit of a love-hate relationship with this one. I love the color, I love the little bit of pink shimmer that you can see, but I hate the dry time, and it will quite often dry but still be really soft, and so I have to really leave it for a long time before I can do anything. So yeah, it does frustrate me, and it's why I don't use it super often despite loving the color. For the next step, I moved on to just stamping on a variety of images across my stamping mat. I did make one little mistake, which was I only stamped on 9 images instead of 10, and so rather than creating another image, I just decided to be a bit lazy and hope that one of them would be able to split. I was thinking either the clouds or the stars. For the reverse stamping, I used to use hit the bottle stamping polish. So I used 3 different colors, a yellow, a blue, and a purple. All the names of those will be up on the blog post. So for my personal preference is to use a dotting tool for the stamping, also for the reverse part of the stamping. And I just find I can get better control, and I don't get the nail polish everywhere, or everywhere as much as I would with like a brush or something like that. I also find it easy to clean because I can just use a bit of nail polish remover and just clean the end of the dotting tool. These are really cheap, by the way. You can get them for like $5 for a pack of 5 from eBay or Amazon. So they're a really good bargain, really good basic tool that I'd highly recommend to grab if you're just starting out with nail art. So I just went through applying each color until I was happy, and then I added a coat of Maniology smudge-free top coat and let that dry, and then once I was happy with how dry it was, I lifted each image up with some tweezers. Now when I lifted the images up, the clear polish part was actually quite cloudy at first, and I sort of got a bit worried because I haven't used done a reverse stamping for a while, and I hadn't used this one for reverse stamping for a while either. But then I thought, oh, I'll just try one on my nail and see what happens. Put it on my nail, and it absolutely turned out fine. It goes back to its clear color. I'm not sure why it does that, but it just does, and it doesn't seem to affect the end result, so I wouldn't worry about it if it goes clear. Just give it a go on your nail and see what happens. So I put each image on and then applied another just clear top coat over the top just to protect everything and keep it all sealed in. So this is my unicorn and cupcakes design. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Next week I will be back with a St. Patrick's Day design. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you then. Bye!